In the early 1900s, physicist Marie Curie was already famous for her research on radioactivity, a term she herself coined. But Curie's work was as dangerous as it was groundbreaking. At the time, the harmful effects of radiation were not fully understood, and she often carried radium in her pockets or stored it in her desk drawer. Her research led her to win 2 Nobel Prizes, one in physics and one in chemistry, making her the first person to win Nobel Prizes in two different fields. Curie's commitment to science ultimately came at a personal cost. Her exposure to radiation damaged her health, and she eventually succumbed to a radiation-related illness. Even today, her personal notebooks are too radioactive to handle without protective gear. Marie Curie's dedication went beyond the lab. During World War I, when Curie saw the need for medical support at the front lines, she and her daughter Irene created portable X-ray units. Known as Little Curies, these mobile radiography machines could be loaded into vehicles and taken to battlefield hospitals. Curie trained over 150 women as X-ray technicians and personally drove one of the units, scanning wounded soldiers to locate bullets and fractures. She even sold her own Nobel medals to help fund the project. Her efforts are estimated to have saved thousands of lives, and she continued her work despite exposure risks. In later years, Curie founded the Radium Institute in Paris, a center dedicated to research on radioactivity and cancer treatment. This institute became a groundbreaking research hub, drawing scientists from around the world. Curie's pioneering spirit not only advanced the field of radioactivity, but also opened doors for future generations of female scientists, showing that dedication to discovery could transcend traditional boundaries. In the last years of her life, despite failing health from radiation exposure, Curie continued her research and advocacy for science, even traveling to the United States to raise funds for her Radium Institute. Her work has left an enduring legacy in science, medicine, and beyond, with her name becoming synonymous with dedication and discovery.